Here in the Midwest, we get the best and worst of every season, sometimes even in the same day. As these wintry months are moving into the spring and summer, you'll want to be prepared. Today, I'll go over a few tips on how to prepare your home for the coming spring and summer months. Let's get started. Cleaning your air conditioner is not only a great way to prolong the life of the unit, but it helps it run more efficiently by keeping the fins, which help dissipate heat, clean. But before you hose off the unit, be sure to turn it off at the breaker as well as pulling the disconnect right next to the air conditioner. That way the unit will not turn on while you are cleaning it. Now, if you do not have a disconnect outside, it is best to contact a licensed professional to do the cleaning. There are two ways to clean the outside condenser unit. Using a regular garden hose, you can rinse off the fins from the outside in, or you can take the top off the air conditioner and rinse from the inside out. Now avoid using a high pressure hose as that will damage the fins. If you feel uncomfortable doing the cleaning, hire a licensed heating and cooling contractor to do the cleaning for you. Spring is the perfect time to open up a window and let some fresh air into the home. This is also a good opportunity to check the weather stripping on the bottom of the window. If you don't have weather stripping, now would be a good time to put some on. Hot air moves towards colder air, and with the summer approaching, weather stripping can either slow or stop hot air from coming inside the home, helping you save on your utility bill. If you watched our earlier video on how to prepare your home for the fall and winter, this next tip might seem familiar, but just a little bit different. Before, we had the fan spinning clockwise to push the warm air out to the edges of the room. Now, we'll have the fan spinning counterclockwise to create the wind chill effect. Just as before, flip the switch on the central hub to have the blades rotate counterclockwise. That way, in the warmer months, you can get the wind chill effect, making you feel cooler without lowering the thermostat. The temperature of the room, however, will stay the same or potentially increase by a degree or two. This is why it is important to turn off the ceiling fan when you are not in the room. When it comes to appliances, your refrigerator tends to use the most energy out of any of them. So keeping it clean and in good working order not only helps it run more efficiently, but also can help you save on your utility bills. Be sure the seal on your refrigerator and freezer doors are clean roughly every 3 to 4 months. This ensures a tight seal against the frame of the refrigerator when the door is closed, keeping cool air in and warm air out. The exhaust at the bottom of the refrigerator is a great area to regularly clean. You can use the brush attachment on a vacuum to do so. Keeping these areas clean will help your refrigerator run more efficiently, lowering your electricity usage. Lastly, you can save even more on your electricity usage by putting a thermometer inside your refrigerator. These thermometers have the target temperature marked on them, between 30 and 40 degrees. Before turning on your air conditioner, it is a good idea to wash out the condensate line. This line helps drain water that accumulates at the bottom of the A-coil pan while your air conditioner is running. Remember to turn off your heating and cooling system anytime you are doing any maintenance or cleaning of it. It is best to turn it off at the breaker and at the thermostat. First, pour 1/4 cup of distilled vinegar into the drain line opening. This will typically be found at a T-shaped vent on the drain line as shown. Vinegar is very acidic, which helps it effectively break down buildups and residue. After about 30 minutes, flush your lines out by pouring warm water down that same opening until the water is washing out into the drain freely. Then, turn your system back on at the thermostat and at the breaker. Keeping your appliances as well as your heating and cooling system clean and in good working order helps them run more efficiently, saving on your utility bills. For more tips, visit our energy efficiency page at OPPD.com.